Taylor.
They all try to drop me now, but I've been in it. Everybody tryna rob me now, but I've been getting it. Every shot I wear, it's like I'm fucking wrist flicking it. Shorty at the crib, I pull it out, I have her spin on it. Said he wanna burn, I'm really out here moving pelicans. Bitch gave me her intelligence. I ain't rock with them, cause I heard they with that telling shit. Pull up to the party, my whole group is with that felon shit. Bodies in my basement, I'm so sorry, can you smell that shit? If I want a kilo, hit a Rico, he a Mexican. Talking out of pocket like a Xanax, it's depressing him. Blue tips in my rifle, can you tell me what's investing? 83 who? Let's invest in him. Cop killer's my clip and you better get to catching him. Let me fuck this bitch, I ain't even have to lecture him. Don't pass me the Henny, boy, you know I'll sip the whole bottle. Give your bitch the motion like an engine going full throttle. Can I send over no little white bitch, I'm fucking home models. But this was whole time. If you think you finna touch my fam, then he gon' die. All these motherfuckers said they want me, but they don't try. Big bad Billy, I'ma put him in the blue sky. Ho, I do not scrap. Monty wouldn't kill a fucking fly, he got no strap. Doing all that talking online, get your bro whacked. Yeah, she like my hoodie facts. Yeah, your bitch pussy waxed. Yeah, I can sell it to you, rock it, I'm gon' tax. All these virgin rappers out here having phone sex. Like grandpa, bitch, I don't text. Police breathing down my fucking neck, cause I don't text. And I got my dick up in her mouth, that's a throat press. Big CEO of this shit, I done wrote checks. Bitch, I'ma tote mine. Clock 21 and it's holding on a 4-5. People acting cool, but they snakes and they don't ride. Say we pulling up, you get your burner, then you gon' hide. Mask off, shorty, I need no disguise. Big league bitch, she still fucking with the small fries. Starting to feel bad, he don't know she fucking other guys. I'm in the bikini bottom where the sponge lies. I said turn around, shorty, let me fuck the other side. They a gang full of bitches, that's a snitching entourage. 1 at 12 car garage, not fat, but a big bride. A lot of people, it tend to get crowded when I'm with squad. Selling on that Yola, I'm a yen, I'm in my block high. I start to get up, now everybody saying Glock Glock. They call me the butcher, I'ma take him to the chop shop. Post it with your clock tight. Fuck on this sinking shit. I got the water, it's just like a sinking shit. You know I'm bringing it. Pull out the cannon, he turn to a sinking ship. Think that I give 2 fucks, think that I hit too much. Bitch, I be ballin' on the Milwaukee Bucks. Fuck him, he talk too much. Yo, shawty callin', just better call you, bruh. Yo, shawty fuck too much. I got a stick, it gon' help me get out of the mud. I got this dick and it's up in her butt. Get clothesline with 30, he thought he was cut. And I'm rolling big lazy all up in his butt. I be smoking big backwards when I'm in a cut. And this really my life, no, this is not a front. They don't really tote shit, they just talking about guns. And they copy me, so I come up with new swag. Bro, disrespecting that my fucking blue flag. Clips getting empty, I bring out a new mag. Another dick sucker kill me a new bag. I'm at the top, but I bet that you knew that. How many toes? I'm like 2, it's a new jag. Fuck all that rapping about cash, we get to that. Hits on his head cost me another 2 rags. Bro, pull us over the coke in my do-rag. I took your shotty, you can't get your boo bag. I'm in this bitch every day with a new strap. Stay in the dark like a motherfucking zoo bag. Take this advice, buddy, you better move back. You got my name in your mouth, so I shoot back. I put the steel in his mouth, make his tooth crack. I robbed this boy, told him too bad, he too mad. You got an attitude, you better lose that. Take him, I took him, I'm taking lines like it's Interscope. Stay in her DMs, just talking, I'm in her throat. Shoot it and see, I'm gon' make that boy pitch and toe. You got some diamonds, they don't even glimmer though. They call me Mr. My motherfucking killer hoe. I be name dropping, I am not with subliminal. She wanna fuck me because I'm a criminal. I could fuck your bitch, yeah, I could fuck your shawty. I be in the party, I'm off hella molly. You naughty little bitch, you won't feel on my body. I just took your thotty and turned her a Barbie. It's just a persona, they be out here flashing. And I'm on my green like I live up in Boston. Stop in the mall, bro, I got you locked in. Realize he in trouble, I bring the Glocks in. My wiener, my motherfucking toxin. You work a 9 to 5, you better clock in. I fill this big body up with the toxin. You in the stands, you do not be on offense. Not speaking cash, then you speaking nonsense. You got a shorty, I'm taking her hostage. I got your bitch and she dressed up in bondage. Load up the clip, I swear it told 100. Feel like a chef when I chop up the onion. Stab him to death and then hide in my dungeon. 2020, I ain't going out bad. Fuck all you pussy ass motherfuckers trying to hate on me. Y'all suck. I'm putting it in, yeah, I rip it right up. It is dark outside, you gon' see it light up. And you is a goofy, you wanna try us. Your shorty can't help you, I got her tied up. And he want his shit back, I told him tough luck. And I'm getting antsy, I got a gun tucked. If she asking for it, she gonna get fucked. And they keeping tabs on me cause I like to bust. And this dick finna loosen her up like some trucks. You be hanging around losers, I hang around some thugs. He stealing your junkies, he got better dust. I whip out the chopper, yelp at your cuss. I married my Glock 9, we fell in love. I puffed the perk, I can't see off the the drugs. I pumped the perk, I think he off the bus. I got dimethyltryptamine up in my lungs. And if he wanted smoke, he can come and get some. Straight out the band, but this is a big drum.
Graffiti.